Hello everyone. So today is my photo shoot for my birthday, and I'm gonna get my day started. So I'm gonna be recording this whole day today. So I'm gonna start by getting in the shower, then I'm doing my skincare routine. Okay y'all, so I'm all out the shower now. I'm gonna do my skincare routine, brush my teeth, put my clothes on, and then we're gonna head to the makeup artist. So let's sit up for that. And y'all, I'm really kind of like playing with some of these products because I was in the store doing the little app. I can't even think of what the name of it is, to grade the products that I was using. But I'm not consistent enough, so I can't tell y'all if these things like really work or not. So yeah. Okay, so I already washed my face with warm rag. So now I'm going to start off with my cleanser. And it's an aloe vera cleanser. So I just start off with that. And y'all, I'm so excited for today. Like, for real, I'm really excited because this shoot that I'm doing is so different than all the other shoots I've done. Now, this big old pimple that I got on my face right here is not gonna cut it. But I definitely like to do my skincare routines when I know that I have a makeup appointment. And then I'm going in with my toner, my witch hazel. Now this one wasn't great that good, so but I still use it because I always use it. And when I was younger and I had like breakouts, it did the job for me. So yeah. Oh, and then this the face scrub I got, y'all. This is amazing. This from Shea Moisture. And I'm gonna link all these products down below. I'm gonna put my makeup artist and all this stuff too. I'm not gonna show y'all my outfit until I'm all glammed up. So yeah. Y'all can't see it till I'm done. And it smells real good too. That's why I like it. Okay, so while that's doing what he's doing, I'll go ahead and brush my teeth. And y'all, I've been using this dang, where does it go? Oh, this whitening and charcoal toothpaste by Chris, and I love it. So I'm gonna be going in with this toner, and this is by Dr. Teal's. And it has coconut water also, and I really love this, and I like how it smells. So I'm gonna go in and use this toner, and I'm just going in with my toner again. Okay. And then I normally use like a moisturizer, but I'm gonna go in with this facial spray. It's aloe vera, cucumber, and green tea. I'm gonna go in with this because I know my makeup artist has to put her own stuff on there. So I'm gonna go in with this. And there we go. This concludes my routine for today. Because I do have a makeup appointment. I do take these vitamins. I bought the double value pack from Sam's. I don't even remember how much this stuff was, but these in the woman's one of theirs. Gotta take them vitamins, especially now when costs are going up. I ain't got time. I can't afford to be sick or anything. I got the women's one of these from Sam's too. So now we're going in with my body lotion. So today I'm gonna be wearing the Good Girl as my smell good choice. I'm trying to see what I'm gonna pair it with today. I think I'm gonna pair it with the Hello from Bath & Body. So I'm gonna do this and get dressed. And yeah, I guess I can take my hair down on camera. Okay. So yeah, I like flexi rounded it so it can be kind of one curl looking. And I knew one of them was gonna come loose. I just knew at least one. But I do this, y'all, because I really don't be having time to sit and curl my whole head sometimes. So I flexi rounded it, and I haven't slept with no flexi round in so long. So I kind of feel a little out of place a little bit. I'm gonna have to still curl a couple pieces. I'm gonna still have to go in and one curl a few pieces. And I did different sizes just all over my head because I wanted this kind of big, but not like, I don't know how to explain it. And I should have had like some type of like oil, but y'all, I really don't even mix home and work for real. I feel like I should have curled my hair first. I haven't done this in so long, so I feel like I should have curled my hair first so that way my ends would have like wouldn't have been so straight, and they would have did what I wanted them to do. But it's cool. Now this one turned out really pretty. Or maybe I should have just used the smaller ones all over. Maybe that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to still want to curl a few pieces because I want this a little bit bigger. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely want to curl a few more pieces because it's giving, but I want it a little bit fuller, like bigger. And then y'all too, this is another reason why I didn't like really hot comb it really because I wanted it kind of big and messy a little bit. I'm wondering, should I do a middle part though? I think I like this a little bit better, y'all. Once this kind of like fall a little bit, because I don't like how it's giving like bushy. I'm gonna get my makeup done too, so I feel like that's gonna make something pop too. Hey everyone, so y'all, my makeup is done, and I purposely didn't vlog why I got my makeup done because I didn't want y'all. I didn't want to see my makeup until she was done, and I didn't want y'all to see my makeup until she was done. So, the girl looks super cute, and I'm headed to the venue for my my shoot. Y'all, I am running a little bit late, like maybe 10 to 15 minutes late. But I'm still gonna make it in time before his time period cuts off. And I will be paying extra for that because I hate being late, and I feel like it's so rude, especially because I am a business owner myself. So I understand that people's time is very valuable, but I know that things happen as well. So I'm headed to there, and I'm gonna see y'all when I get there, and I'm gonna vlog that entirely. Okay, y'all, so I did a little walkthrough of his studio, and when I tell y'all, he put so much work into this studio. Like, it looks amazing. This is actually the salon part of it that his wife works in, and it's inside the studio as well. We got the restrooms, and he said he does like different themes in these rooms every so often. And as y'all can see that he had another shoot going on once I was recording this. So yeah, I had to just get this footage though. Like, his setup was amazing.
baby.